Hey everybody, this is Blue Angel Frog and we have some old toys for you today. This is Angelina's collection of monster trucks and this is Sunday. And we're going to start with Medusa. And none of these that I can find have dates on them, so I don't know. This one has a Monster Jam logo on it. And I don't know that much about monster trucks, but for those of you who do, you'll know what time period these are from. So this is the breast cancer Medusa. And then we have, I don't know who this one is, Raisin Cane. This is a clear truck. And I know some of these had like a little guy with them, but they seem to have been lost. She's had these for quite a number of years. This one's Clydesdale. She was into horses for a little bit, very little bit. And then this one is Monster Mutt. And it has the dirty tires and the dirt all over it. And then this is the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Oh, this one has a better face. And it actually has the collars raised up where this one's flat. This rubbery little tongue. This one's hard. And then she has Spike. This is the bigger trucks. And we had a stowaway. A little army guy. So, like I said, this is Spike. He's a good sized truck. And he's got a little damage on him, but he's okay. And then this is the Monster Mutt Rottweiler, and he's got the plastic ears that go over the top, hard tongue. And then we have the big Monster Mutt. And she used to play with this one all the time. He's got the hard tongue. And then she has the squishy one that the batteries must be dead. It's been in storage for a couple of years. This is 2011. A little cloth tongue. And then we have Checker Kragen. I don't know what the middle word is. But this is the Scarlet Bandit. And this one is the U.S. Air Force. This is smaller. This is about the same size as the little metal ones, but a tiny bit smaller, a little bit shorter. And let's see. It says 2009. And then this is one, but it looks like the labels have all been taken off. So I don't know who this one is. This is also a 2009. And then we have Black Stallion. And he has the logo on the back for Monster Jam. And all these. This one's pretty well worn because the kids played with this one a lot. So that's part of the, well, this is Angelina's collection of monster trucks. And they are, I think, still in pretty good condition. We need to get them out of the box and put them away. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment for this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll see you later.